Hi, Brenda here with Nana's Hidden Apron. I want to do a quick supper. Quick and easy. So, and I want it to be low carb or keto friendly. It's Friday. Should be a day to, excuse this hair. A day to just, rainy here. So let's just do something that's going to be quick. Quick and hit the spot. I've been wanting to try this for quite a while now. And it's a crustless pizza. Actually, it's a... I guess it could be a casserole. Get you guys over here so you can see what's going on. Now, I've had my pack of meatballs in the crock pot since... for about 4 hours, I guess, I should say. I've had it for about 4 hours. And all I did was just take my meatballs and pour them in there. And I went ahead and poured my pizza sauce in to the dish. That is all I did. I'm going to pour this now into a casserole dish. And it's a little on the warm side, if you didn't notice that already. But we're just going to get that in this dish here. Get all that extra pizza sauce out of there. But I mean, come on. Meatball pizza? Hey, yeah. Why not? But that's this is enough to do us for several days and several meals. But that's a whole bag of, as I said, a whole bag of meatballs that's been cooking for about 4 hours in my crock pot. Let me get y'all down here so you can see what's happening. And that's a whole jar of pizza sauce. If you don't make your own, then definitely look for the one with the lowest amount of sugar. No sugar always is best. We know that. But if you can't find that, then go with the next best thing. Low sugar, low carb. Now I have some Parmigiano Romano that I'm going to sprinkle over the top of that. I know that's a little bit loud. Sorry about that. Just cover it really nice. Love that Parmesan flavor. Oh, don't worry, I've got another one over here. Yes, I do. But let's get that sprinkled up really good. And the next thing we're going to do, well, I'm going to throw this in the trash. But then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic on the top of that. I'm just going to use some that's already jarred. This comes in real handy. Let's just sprinkle a little bit of that, about a teaspoonful. Just like that. Rinse off my hands. You know I don't even have my sink of water back here. I don't know what I'm thinking. There we go. Now, I need to sprinkle a few of these banana peppers. Mild. They're mild. They're mild. On there. I don't know why I'm whispering. Tom's not here yet. He's on his way. He should be getting in the door anytime. But they can be picked off, right? Yeah. Definitely. So we'll sprinkle. I won't go overboard. We'll sprinkle some of these on it, though. Goodness, those smell good. Nothing like a good banana pepper on pizza, huh? definitely. I'm going to also chop up just a little bit of onion, and I'm going to chop it up real small so that it'll have time to bake in here. And then we're going to top that off. Well, I tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and top that with some mozzarella cheese and some sharp cheddar. Smother it on there. Cheese, cheese. What glorious cheese. Mmm. Smells good. And then I'm going to put some bits of bacon on there, I think, that I've got over here. And I've got some salami and some pepperonis that I'm also going to cut and put on the top. And then I'll add just a little bit more mozzarella cheese. Now remember, make sure to spray your pan, your dish with non-stick spray, because I'd hate to have to chisel that off. I'm telling you. Alright. Yeah, I've been wanting to make this for a long time. I don't know why I've never done it. By the time I think about it, I've already made something else with the meatballs. So, yay me for not overthinking it. Right. Let's get a little bit of this salami chopped up right in there. What's say? Oh. And now these little animals are going to start barking because Tom's home. They love it whenever somebody comes in the house. See? Told you, didn't I? Yeah, they're that way.
Go find Ruff somewhere else.
See? They give him a welcome home. Hi, honey.
Hi, baby.
Just fixing up a little crustless pizza casserole here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Smells amazing.
That's just the meatballs that's been cooking in the sauce. That don't even include the salami and the pepperonis and all that yummy cheese. So later today, this afternoon, now that Tom's home, later on this evening, I'm going to make some curtains for the, well, it used to be our den, and we're turning it into a room for, right now, the grandbabies. You know, playroom. Gonna put a little bed in there, a little twin bed. So, I've made most of the curtains here. Most of the curtains in this house I've made. So, I'm gonna make some more for in there that kindly matches. It goes well. I won't say it matches, but it goes well with the. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that, and then I'm going to put some more cheese on there now. But it goes well with the bedding that we purchased. Right, some more Parmigiano Romano. Yeah, I know, I'm a Kentucky girl. It sounds weird me saying that, don't it? I don't even say it right, I'm sure. More mozzarella. But I had to wait for him because I don't know how to, he's tried to teach me, but I don't know how to change the thread. And the thread that's in the machine is not the color I need. So, yeah. That's why I have to wait. He's very patient with trying to teach me, but it just didn't happen. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley because when I cooked the meatballs today in the slow cooker, I actually put oregano in that. Now, awesome, huh? Cleaning up my mess, making noises. Does that look pretty good?
Yes. Sorry.
Tom says yes. Yeah. Only thing left to do is get it in the oven. You know what? I forgot my onion. That's alright. It didn't need it apparently. I forgot it, so I didn't need it. Alright. We're going to put this in the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And the cool thing about this dish, you can go ahead and make this the day before and stop at this point and go ahead and cover it with some foil. And then all you have to do when you get home after a long hard day's work, pop this in the oven and let it be baking while you get yourself all relaxed from a hard day's work. Right? Right. So, we have a couple of errands to do, unfortunately. I know he's hungry. But, he's got... When we get back, I'll pitch this in the oven. And in the meantime, I'm going to get my mess cleaned up, and then we're going to run, get a couple things taken care of. And then we'll be back, and I'll stick this in the oven, and then we'll eat some of it. Mess. Hot mess. See y'all soon. Okay. Let's get this out of the oven. See what it looks like. Look, there's somebody back there running around. See him? Anybody know that guy? Sorry, but it's easier for me to get this out of the oven without holding on to my camera. I don't know, man. These are pretty hot, so I'm thinking I'm going to have to get a... As much as I don't like it. It's pretty hot. Hopefully the alarm won't go off. It does that. It's pretty close to the oven. And the heat sets it off, so if I'll stop dropping this, I can probably get it out for y'all. Woo. Hot stuff. I'm telling you, I can't get a hold of it. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Goodness. Alright. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, buddy. There you go. There's meatball pizza for you. Mmm. Yummy yum. Right. Well, I'm going to give this just a few minutes to cool down because right now, as I have said, I've said a few times, that, my friends, will scald your gizzard. Because it's hot. I'm going to let it cool down, then I'll put it in some bowls for us. We'll give it a try. Be back in a minute. Oh, sorry. If you haven't yet, I hope you will click the subscribe button. I think I've got something wrong with my camera. I see a bunch of lines in it. If you would please click the subscribe button. You'll get notifications. If you click this dinner bell, you'll get notifications of when I have new content on. But if you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Click the like button. Let Facebook, or I always say Facebook, I just don't know. Let YouTube know that y'all like the stuff I'm putting, the content that I'm putting on, please. I'd appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Be back with you in a few minutes. All right. Let's some of this in a bowl and see what all the fuss is about. Woo, nice. Nice, nice. Okay. That one's mine. This one is for the mister. Well, I can't hold on to them. I don't know why. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I warned him about those banana peppers too, y'all, just so you know. It's okay. If he don't want them, he can always drop them off on mine. I'll eat them. I like them. I told him tomorrow I could take, we ran and got our grocery order from Walmart. And I told him I can take some of those zucchini and put in here with this tomorrow. I could actually take the boats. I just stuck my finger in it and it burns. Thank you. You probably want to put a little bit more Parmesan on there. I don't know. I do. But I could even make the boats and stuff them with this. The pizza meatballs. Let's see here. Let's get him over here and see what he thinks about it. You know it's hot. So. Uh-oh. We lost our daylight for some reason.
There we go. I'm going to take a small taste bite because I do not want to scald my gizzard. Yep, that's hot.
Is it good?
Man, that's so good. Let me get down here where it's good. Yeah.
Oh, look at him. Pulling out that cheese. Oh, that's a banana pepper.
That's a banana pepper, by the way.
He's fixing it. He ate it. Hey, Mikey. Good, yeah. Banana peppers are good. He scared us. He scared me. He scared Sarah.
Sorry, that's good. It's cold, raining here in Kentucky.
It is.
And I've been out working all day, bouncing on and off the trucks, getting cold, getting warm, getting cold, getting warm. I just came back from the store. I'm cold. This is hot. I'm going to do that for a little bit.
I should have took a picture of our eggs that we got. He took them and
mercy.
they were really nice and right away went and got some more and gave to him. Ooh, those things were scrambled. Okay, let me get off here. And like I told you all, I'm probably going to make those curtains tonight. Oh, he wants to hold it and let me give it a try. It is hot. Woo. Look. Mmm. Tastes just as good as I hoped it would. Alright. Y'all take care. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next time.